All right, all right, all right. Okay, today the old Ford power steering is making noise. So the first thing I do is always check it. Let me get me a rag real quick. Okay, we got a rag. This isn't the type that has a dipstick. But if we look down in there, we see it has plenty of fluid. It's up to the cold mark, so that's not the problem. Let me start it up and show you what it sounds like. Yeah, man, that thing's nasty. Take some carb cleaner after clean that whole mess up. Okay, start her up. Well, as you can hear, and that's pretty quiet. I did this kind of last year when it got hot. So what I'm thinking is this power steering fluid has lost its viscosity or something. So anyway, let me go get me a. Well, you see some of it coming out. I must not got that on there very tight. Oh, that's cool. That's bubbling up. Huh. Well, isn't that just peachy? That's pretty cool. I didn't see that before. But anyway, I'm going to change some of that fluid out. The product I'm going to try today is Bars Power Steering Repair. Now, I got to tell you, I'm not really crazy about things that you pour into your engine or whatever, and it says it repairs it. But I'm thinking this viscosity has got low on this, and that's about all we need, hopefully. Because I don't want to replace the power steering pump. I'm looking down here. I don't see the return line for that. I just don't want to mess with it. So if I can get some of this out, get some viscosity back with this stuff. I got it at Walmart. It's about 10 bucks. So I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do is take a turkey baster, suck some of that stuff out. It's still foaming up. It did not like that. And you can see that's some pretty nasty looking power steering fluid. Yes, sir, it is some nasty looking. Now, Bar says this stuff will either work immediately. I think I really need to just replace that fluid altogether. So that's probably what I'll do if this doesn't work. If I can get anything out of it now, it just doesn't go down there very far, and I know there's got to be more in there. Okay. Brake cleaner, clean that off. I said brake cleaner. I said brake cleaner. I meant carb cleaner. Which I'm out. Okay, get up there again. Okay. Now we can see what we're doing here. Still nasty. Okay, well, now on this bars, one side is for, let me just put my glasses on and I'll tell you. It has two parts, as you can see. One's one color and the other's a little red. But it says Formula A restores performance with high-tech additives, viscosity improves, friction modifiers. Formula B adds protection with fluid stabilizer, lubrication additives, seal conditioners. Wow, all that in a bottle. Personally, I think this whole two-part stuff is just marketing good. This is what I really like down here. For many vehicles, this is your last chance before expensive repairs or replacing the vehicle. That's right. If this doesn't work, probably have to replace the vehicle because your power steering's noisy. I don't think that's going to hold a whole hell of a lot, but I don't think there's a lot in that reservoir to begin with. I'm going to use both parts. I'm just going to pour it in there and get this all. Looky there. Okay, so let's add some. Carpenter ant crawling over my leg. Oop, yeah, that may have been a little too much, but you see how much, can you see? I don't know, I can't even see. It's down about there. So let's put the cap back on. I'm gonna suck just a little bit, it's up to the cap. I'm gonna suck just a little bit of it out. Okay. I'm gonna put this cap back on. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. See if it helps it out. As far as turning, it really doesn't turn. I've had a couple times it turned rough, but really it's been all right. It's just that noise drives me nuts. Oh, wow. Did you hear that? Did y'all hear that? You know what I think I'm going to do? I mean, to me, it made a huge improvement. I'm I was very skeptical. Let's see if we got bubbles in our... Come on. Yeah, it's foaming up some. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take more. I think that's had time to... Yeah. I'm going to pull this out. And I'm going to put some more in. I can definitely tell the difference in color in this new no, but this may be easier and quicker than taking off the return line to the power steering, which is usually how you replace how I always done it. I'm sure some car guru will say, no, you don't do it that way. Always worked for me. And I think that's the way dealers did it too when they replace the fluid in it. I was really impressed that it made that big a difference in the sound already. Okay, that's about all I can get on that run. So let's add some fresh. Yeah, it said it either work immediately or within the first 100 miles. I could tell the difference immediately. Okay, it's up to the bottom of the thing there, bottom of the fill. I'm gonna get all that out. I'm gonna take this thing to the car wash or something one of these days. Okay, let's start her back up. Let's see what we got now. Wow. Okay, here's all the nasty stuff. See all that junk. I gotta recycle that. Wow. Color me impressed, because I was sure that shit wasn't, I mean, I have to beat that out. I was sure that was probably wasted 10 bucks, but it looks like I solved my problems for 10 bucks. That was side to side, lock to lock, twice. Man, what a huge difference that made. Well, guys, girls, I'd say for $10, especially if you got a Ford with a noisy power steering pump, 10 bucks, that bars, power steering repair, it worked. So anyway, let me turn you to the, so anyway, let's show one more. Now, I have to say I'm not being endorsed or sponsored or paid anyway. If there was something else at Walmart that said power steering repair or noise reducer or something like that, when I got this, I probably would got that also. So this only thing they had that said power steering repair, and so I decided to try it. And as you can see, wow, it made a huge difference. I can't believe it. I'm very impressed with that. So you need to get this thing to car wash and get it cleaned up. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. If you have a Ford with noisy power steering, you might give that a try. I don't think it hurt even drive it a little bit, come back, and I may do that. Drive it a little bit, come back, and take that out, that foot out, and because I still have probably up to right here. So I still have enough put some in there. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all got something useful out of this video. We'll catch you on the next one.